First, start the engine and set the fan to its highest level and the coldest setting. This ensures that the air conditioner operates correctly and creates condensation inside the evaporator. Look under the car and confirm that water droplets have formed and are falling on the pavement below. Then, turn off the engine. Locate a suitable position on the ducting between the evaporator and blower fan to drill a 3/16 inch hole. Using a 3/16 inch drill bit, drill just deep enough, usually less than 1/8 of an inch, to break through the skin of the plastic duct. Insert the clean air nozzle into the hole and turn the pointer towards the evaporator opposite the fan so that the foam will be dispensed in the same direction as the AC's airflow. Start the engine. Shake the clean air container well. Then, press the actuator, dispensing the clean air foam at 7 to 10 second intervals. Repeat until the can is empty. After the can is empty, leave the can and nozzle connected to the housing and keep the engine running for 10 to 15 seconds to allow the fan to push the foam through the ducting so that it covers the entire evaporator. Turn off the engine and wait 15 minutes while the cleaning foam scours the dirty evaporator. Next, restart the engine and run the AC for 1 to 2 minutes to remove any remaining residue. Remove the nozzle from the housing and install the supplied plug to cover the hole. Repeat every 6 months to ensure clean and healthy air inside your vehicle.